Coming to the sixth problem, write the following cubes in expanded form. So the first question is 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this can be compared with the standard identity x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. So if we compare the given bit with the fifth identity, we get x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube can be written as 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. This is 2 cube is 8 and x cube 8x cube plus 1. 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 is 6x and this is 2x plus 1, which becomes 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x multiplied by 2x is 12x square plus 6x multiplied by 1 is 6x. This becomes 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Therefore, 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Coming to the second bit, which is 2a minus 3b whole cube. So this can be compared with the sixth identity, which is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y. So if we compare the given bit with the sixth identity, we get x as 2a and y as minus 3b. Therefore, substituting 2a and minus 3b in the place of x and y respectively, we get 2a minus 3b whole cube as, in place of x cube we can write 2a whole cube minus, in place of y cube we can write 3b cube minus 3 times of 2a multiplied by 3b multiplied by 2a minus 3b. So we know that 2a whole cube is 8a cube and 3b cube is 27b cube. 3 multiplied by 2a multiplied by 3b is 18ab multiplied by 2a minus 3b. This is equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab multiplied by 2ab is 36a square b, minus of minus is plus, 18ab multiplied by 3ab is 54ab square. Therefore, 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Coming to the third one, which is 3 by 2 times x plus 1 whole cube. So in order to expand this, we need to use fifth identity, which is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. So if we compare the given bit with the fifth identity, we get x as 3 by 2 times of x and y as 1. Therefore, 3 by 2 times x plus 1 whole cube can be written as, in place of x we have 3 by 2x, so this is 3 by 2x whole cube, and in place of y we have 1, so this becomes 1 cube plus 3 times of 3 by 2 times x multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 by 2 times x plus 1. This is equal to 3 by 2 times x whole cube is 27 by 8 x cube. This becomes 1 cube is 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3 by 2 times x multiplied by 1 is 9x by 2 multiplied by 3x by 2 plus 1. This is in turn equal to 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 9x by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2x gives 27 by 4x square, and 9x by 2 multiplied by 1 is 9x by 2. Therefore, 3 by 2 times x plus 1 whole cube can be written as 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4 x square plus 9x by 2. Coming to the fourth problem, which is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So in order to expand the given bit, we need to make use of the sixth identity, which is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y. So if we compare the given bit with the sixth bit, we get x as x and y as 2 by 3y. So using the identity, we get x minus 2y by 3 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3y whole cube minus 3 times of x multiplied by y is 2 by 3y, and in place of x there is x, and in place of y we have 2 by 3y. So this is in turn equal to x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube, and 3x multiplied by 2 by 3y is, and here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and this becomes minus 2xy multiplied by x minus 2 by 3y, and this is equal to x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. So this is equal to x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square minus 8 by 27 y cube. Therefore, the given expression, which is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube, can be written as x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 times of xy square minus 8 by 27 times of y cube.